Hello guys, today I'm gonna show how you can properly refill all detergents in the candy dishwasher RapidO. So, in the first step, let's open the detergent top chamber and put the detergent top inside this hole with this small plastic foil. In the next step, refill the rinse side. So open this chamber and refill the liquid detergent into this hole, then close the cover. The last thing what you have to do is a salt storage. So this is the salt storage is located inside your appliance. You have to remove this cover and refill the salt storage inside this hole. And what is important, if you're doing it for the first time, refill it with the 1 liter of water and only for the first time. After that you can just put the normal salt into this hole, then close the cover, and basically that's it. Thanks for watching, leave us a like or comment, and goodbye.